Here's how to send a statement to a customer in Xero, step by step. Start by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to Contacts. This is where Xero stores the businesses and people connected to your account, including customers you invoice. When the Contacts area opens, look through the list and select the customer who needs the statement. If you have many contacts, take a moment to make sure you open the correct customer before moving on. After you open the customer record, you will be on that contacts page. This page shows the customer's activity, including invoices, payments, and account details. From here, find and click Send Statement. This opens the statement options for that specific customer, so you can choose what period and format you want to include. Next, select the statement type. Xero may offer more than one option depending on how you want the customer's account activity presented. So choose the one that matches the statement you need to send. After that, set the from date and the to date. These dates control which transactions appear on the statement. Make sure the date range matches the period you want the customer to review. If the range is too broad or too narrow, the statement may not show the information you expect. Once those details are in place, click Update. Xero will generate the statement using the type and date range you selected. If the page takes a moment to refresh, wait for the statement preview to load before continuing. The updated statement will show the account activity for that customer within the selected period. Now review the statement carefully. Look over the customer details, the date range, and the listed transactions. Confirm that the balances and entries shown are the ones you intend to send. This is the point to catch anything that looks off before the statement goes out by email. If something is not correct, you can go back to the statement settings and adjust the type or dates. Then update the statement again. When everything looks correct, click Email. Xero may open an email review window before sending. If it does, check the email details shown there, such as the recipient field, subject line, and message area, using the information available in your account. Make sure the statement is being sent to the right customer contact before you send it. After you confirm the email details, send the statement to your customer. Xero will then deliver the statement using the email option connected to that contact record, and the customer will receive the account statement you generated from their contact page. Your customer statement has now been generated, reviewed, and sent from Xero.